Just had a scrambler in their shop. We did a bunch of work to it. We got some Warrior snorkels on it. Dalton clutch kit. Cryptid 30 by 9 by 14 tires. And high lifter front and rear arms. And the RJWC exhaust with the RJWC tuner. We had the exhaust on it just for fun. We want to see what it was like with no tuner, and backfires on when you let off the throttle. It doesn't idle well, and I just wanted to show everybody what it sounded like with that nice exhaust on it, just running dandy. Bike feels. Rides freaking awesome. Way different than my Can-Am. Different power delivery in it. But the tuner is kind of crucial when you're adding, and this is not even a full system, it's just the dual slip-ons. Sound pretty good? They sound good. Yeah, love that bike. Now we can go right up to here, man. Got the RJWC arms. Those in. It's a 17, there's 4,000 kilometers on it. Or is this one in miles? It'd be kilometers, eh, in Canada? Or they probably switched it over.
Kilometers, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, okay.
Kill switch.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, kilometers. 3,900 kilometers. Pull it up on the grass. By 9 by 14, but in reality they're only 29.1 in diameter. But they're not rubbing, but I could tell anyway, cranking it, moving it around. And you know what, if we did run into a rubbing issue, we could just add some spacers on it. Or offset rims. Hey Simon?
Oh yes.
Offset rims would do that. Beadlocks would be dandy on this. When you're in there, what did you notice? There's a lot easier to work on than the Can-Ams, that's for sure.
Yeah, especially the clutches.
Yeah.
To access them, it might be a little harder, but to work on them, a lot easier.
Well, the secondary is one complete unit, right? It comes off as one, not
it's a
pieces. Team Boss secondary, so yeah, it was pretty easy to work on. The A-arms were really quick to install. It's fun because the hubs at the front, they're, instead of being pressed in, they're the ones with the clearance, so you just loosen them and they pull right out. You don't have to bang them out. So yeah, very easy to work on. That's a nice bike. I kind of dig it. So we're gonna have to go wheeling, get him out and go wheeling with us, right? Oh yes. That's it. I just wanted you guys to hear the RJWC pipes on the 1000 Scrambler. Duals. There's no full system, it doesn't need a full system. But it does flow a lot more with those exhausts on there just the way it is. So very important. We just made one little tiny adjustment at idle and that was it. Just when it's cold. So we didn't have to add a little bit of throttle. Nice. Let's take some pics.